If you're looking for a realistic flight experience on PC but don't want to drain your entire bank account right away, stick around. Today we're taking a look at a flight pack that's been popular with sim fans for years. Stay until the end to find out whether this all-in-one set really delivers on its promises, or if you should steer clear. When you unbox the set, you immediately have everything you need for a full flight control setup. A precise joystick, a separate thrust controller, the so-called throttle, and pedals for rudder or brake control, all bundled together in one complete package. The stick itself feels very high quality for this price range. Thrustmaster uses Hall effect sensors here, meaning there's no friction from mechanical contacts, just precise and long-lasting control. So, if you've ever been annoyed that your stick started acting up after a few months, that's much less likely to happen here. Ergonomics are also a big plus. The stick can be comfortably used with either the right or left hand. That makes it ideal for left-handed users or for anyone who prefers operating the throttle with their dominant hand. Now, let's talk about the throttle. This thing is a pleasant surprise. It doesn't just offer a smooth, progressive thrust axis, but also a ton of buttons and small toggle switches. You can control almost your entire cockpit without touching the keyboard. That makes a huge difference in complex flight sims like Microsoft Flight Simulator or DCS World. The pedals round out the package. They move smoothly and work well, especially in smaller aircraft or helicopters. Sure, they could be a bit heavier and offer more resistance, but for the price they do a solid job. One thing to know, the software used to configure everything, called TARGET, isn't exactly intuitive. If you enjoy spending hours creating custom profiles, you'll be happy. If you just want to jump in and fly, you'll need some patience at first. The good news, the software isn't mandatory, plug and play works just fine. Overall, this flight pack gives you an extremely solid all-around package, especially for beginners and intermediate users who want to dive deeper into flight simulation, without immediately spending $330 to $440. If you're ready to take your flying skills to the next level, check the video description for the best current deals. So, what speaks for, and what speaks against, this flight pack? Pros. Precise stick with durable technology. Lots of buttons and functions. Ideal for complex simulations. Ergonomic for both left and right-handed users. Great value for money for a complete set. Cons. The software isn't intuitive. Pedals could be heavier and more stable. Build quality isn't perfectly consistent across all units. If you've always dreamed of taking off on realistic flights right from your desk, without investing a fortune, this flight pack is a really strong starting point. It gives you a complete set with plenty of control options, solid technology, and good overall build quality. You'll find all current deals in the description below. Check them out if you want to grab this set. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next review. See you...